How to remove background in CapCut PC. First of all, open the CapCut and select Import from the main editing interface, then upload a video file from the device. Then navigate to the right editing panel and select Remove BG. The auto removal feature automatically cuts out human figures. For more precise control, you can use the custom removal option, which provides three tools: the smart brush, which lets you paint out the object you want to keep; the smart eraser, which removes parts of the subject from the selection; and the simple eraser, which eliminates selected areas wherever applied. Once the video is finalized, go to the export section, adjust parameters such as quality, frame rate, codec, and bitrate according to your preferences. Then save the video or share it on platforms like YouTube and TikTok from within CapCut. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. And thank you so much for watching.